Imagine this. You check your bank account at the end of the month, and instead of wondering where all your money went, you see an extra $500 sitting there. You feel empowered, in control, and one step closer to the life you've been dreaming of. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the harsh reality. If you're not saving, you're slipping. Inflation, surprise expenses, and reckless spending are like invisible hands grabbing at your wallet every day. If you're not careful, they'll win. Don't panic. Today, I'm going to share 5 insanely simple hacks that can save you $500 in just 30 days. No gimmicks, no sacrifices. These aren't the tired, skip the latte tips you've heard a million times. These are actionable, proven strategies that will make saving money effortless.
But what if I need this $7 oat milk latte?
Don't worry. You'll keep your latte and your sanity. Ready to change your financial game? Let's get started. Hack number 1. Audit your subscriptions. The average person spends $219 a month on subscriptions, and I bet you're not even using half of them. That's like throwing money in the trash every month. Here's what to do. Take 10 minutes to review your bank statements or use apps like Rocket Money. Cancel anything you're not actively using. Trust me, it's like finding free money. Think that simple? Just wait until we get to hack 3. It's a habit so powerful it can stop you from spending hundreds on impulse buys. Hack 2. Automate your savings. Here's why this works. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. $125 every week, for example. By the end of the month, you'll have $500 stashed away, almost without noticing.
So I'm saving money by being lazy. I love this for me.
Exactly. And the best part? It's effortless. Now let's talk about a strategy that can save you from those late-night Amazon binges. Hack 3. Use the 48-hour rule. The next time you feel the urge to buy something impulsively, whether it's the latest gadget or a trendy jacket, pause. Wait 48 hours before hitting buy. Why? Because impulse buying thrives on emotion. 2 days later, you'll either realize you didn't need it, or you'll feel confident it's worth the purchase. Either way, you're back in control. But wait, saving isn't just about saying no. Hack 4 will show you how to keep more money while still enjoying life. Hack 4. Master meal prep. Eating out is one of the biggest budget busters for young adults. The average American spends over $200 a month just on takeout. But here's the twist. You don't have to give it up entirely. Spend an hour on Sunday prepping your meals for the week, and you'll slash your food costs dramatically. Want to spice it up? Apps like Too Good To Go offer amazing deals on surplus restaurant meals.
So I get gourmet food and save money? Sign me up.
Exactly. And speaking of making money work harder for you, let's talk about a hack that feels like free cash. Hack 5. Sell what you don't use. Your old clothes, gadgets, or furniture, they're not junk. They're hidden dollars. List items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Even selling a few items for $20 each can quickly add up.